How to make a public profile on Snapchat if you're under 18, if your age on the Snapchat is under 18. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And this video today I'll guide you through the steps. Now basically I'll be guiding you 2 steps on how you can create a public profile on Snapchat if your age doesn't add up to 18 on Snapchat account. Well, the first step is to simply go ahead and open up Snapchat and head over to your profile and simply click on public profile, and there go ahead and create a profile. Now even if you are below 18, if your age is below 18 but it crosses the 16, so basically the age guideline for creating the public profile on Snapchat is 16, so you can easily create the account if you are between 16, above 16 and below 18. However, if you cannot do so, the other option is what you can do is you can simply go ahead and head over to your profile, tap on the settings there, and you can see the birth date. You can go ahead and change your birth date, so you can change it once a year. You can only change it certain times, so you want to make sure you want to increase your age. For that, you can go ahead and change the birth here, and this way you can go ahead and once you have changed your birthday, you can create the public profile. However, make sure that your age adds up above 18 while you're changing your birth date. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.